So seagrasses are critical to the health of the Great Barrier Reef. They play an important role filtering water quality, providing food for iconic species like turtles and dugongs, and they store carbon for long periods of time. Seagrasses are under threat from a variety of sources. This is robotics for restoration. To scale up seed-based seagrass restoration, you either need to produce a lot of seeds or place them really strategically. Trialling new techniques like this underwater robot is about placing seeds in the places that they're needed the most. With this project, we're proving that large-scale restoration is not only possible, but it's happening.
For the first time in Australian waters, researchers have successfully used ultrasound technology on free-swimming manta rays. In just 10 seconds or less, this non-invasive technique can detect pregnancy and assess maturity in both males and females. Manta rays are slow to reproduce and produce very few offspring, making every insight into their biology critical for their protection. This breakthrough can help scientists understand where manta rays reproduce across the reef, informing conservation efforts here in Australia and around the world.